Right, morning. Welcome back, day 2 on the Shropshire at the minute, Shropshire and Union Canal. It's a couple of miles out of Chester. It's just stopped raining. It's been raining pretty much since I set off. It's just got a little bit lighter now. So today we're going down towards Telford, just shy of 60 miles. This bit of the Shropshire is probably the only bit we're going to do today, and then after that it's country lanes. We cross over the Shropshire a few times. We cross over the Llangollen Canal as well, which is a branch off of this canal, but today's going to be mainly nice country lanes on the National Cycle Network. So yeah, it's warm, not cold, so let's crack on and get going. Just to add as well, we've just missed this first major river this morning. Just as we came out of Chester and got on the Shropshire, we're within half a mile of the River Dee. So if we'd have kept going, we'd have crossed the Dee. Ooh, we don't want to do that. So yeah, so we've just missed the Dee, and today we'll be missing primarily the Trent. So let's go. Right, we're coming off here at Bridge 119. I missed me turning. I can see some blue skies ahead in the sun, so fingers crossed that stays. Oh, that's a good view, isn't it? So that's looking down on most of where we've been. So over there you've got North Wales, you've got Ellesmere Port and the refinery just over there. So the Wirral must be somewhere there where we were yesterday. Not exactly sure where, but yeah, it's a nice view. That I'm not quite at the top of a 1.5 mile climb, but I just saw that and thought, I need to capture that. It's cool. Bit of blue sky coming through. It's just going to be a mixed day, I think. But anyway, we've done about 12 miles, so let's crack on. So I've just done a fair bit of climbing, 2 or 3 big lumps, get up onto a ridge line, and I got some nice steady flattish for a bit before a few more lumps and bumps for the day. But the sun's come out, yay! So at least I've got... What I love about riding through the UK countryside is you just see these lovely, quaint little villages, lovely picture postcard houses. Just lovely, isn't it? You know, you can stop at a little village shop and have a chat to the person working there, and it's just that little human interaction with people that you're never going to see again. It's just nice, I like it. It's cool. Right, ooh, we're in Crewen, borough of Crewen Nantwich now, and some traffic lights on a country lane, amazing. Right, let's put you back on the bike. I'm just at Wrenbury Mill on the Shropshire again. Just crossed it, there's a movable bridge there, look, which I just missed. So there's a boat just gone through and it just changed back to green as I got there. Yeah, it's a nice little place. Apparently this pub's quite good, the Dusty Mill. I think Solo Biker Dave stopped here with Ian, I think, on one of his Shropshire trips recently, I think this year actually. Yeah, it's supposed to go, but I'm a little bit early unfortunately. It's only about 10 o'clock in the morning. What are you going to do? But hopefully I can get a pint somewhere further on. just about avoiding the rain. I've just had a little shower, but it's not too bad. We're about 20 miles in today, so yeah, we're going that way. Some lovely little lanes, just quiet country lanes. You go through a little village, you know, the type of the village hall, and maybe a little school. That's about it. So yeah, let's crack on. And look at this house on the left here. Awesome, look at that. Wonderful. So one thing I've got to be very careful of on this route, normally when I've plotted a route, you know, some days you might go, oh actually I fancy going this way, or you might see something or read up on something the night before and think, oh, well, I'll tell you that, I've got to be very careful on this route that I don't do that, because I can end up crossing a river. So I think today wouldn't be a major problem, because I'm quite a way away from the Trent today. It's way over to my left today, but then once I start getting past Wolverhampton and heading up towards Leicestershire, I'm going to be coming close to the Trent, and even more so around Newark. So yeah, just got to be mindful, even if there's a closed road, that actually it could put me in a sticky spot. So just thought of that while I was riding along, thought I'd share that with you. Anyway, we're pottering on. Lanes are lovely, just very little sign of mankind. They had a little sign or a lamp post, good buildings, farms around here. Other than that, it's lovely. It's nice, could be anywhere. More importantly, away from people. Just me and my thoughts on the bike. It's a lovely place to be. It's a nice space to be in. Peace and quiet. It's beautiful. That's what I love about cycling, just getting out and away from it all. Just peace and quiet. It's lovely. Here we go. Shropshire Union Canal again. I'm just outside Market Drayton now. About 35 miles. Yeah, towpath looks alright on here, doesn't it? A little bit less so going that way, which is where I probably would have come from if I'd ridden along the canal, but having done the Chesterfield Canal the other week, which is a video that's probably gone out before this. I'm very careful where I ride on canals now. But yeah, it's the weather's holding off. Still cold, but it's not been bad. So yeah, fingers crossed the weather does hold. I mean, it's pretty grey and murky now. There's not much sun, look. So hopefully it holds off. That wind's a bit chilly now. It seems to have picked up as well, but not bad. Right, let's crack on. It's about lunchtime. Yeah, I'm going to get drenched in a minute. Just coming out of Market Drayton now. And there's a hillside coming up, and it looks like it's raining quite a bit over there. So that bridge there, that's the canal above us. I'm glad I didn't decide how we're going to get on there. I mean, it's clearly a footpath, not designed for bikes that. It's wide, isn't it? Oh, painted down now persistently as well. So a nice view there, look. Oh, car coming. There you go, there's the canal again. I don't know if this is the Llangollen branch now. No idea. We're about 5 miles outside of Newport, which, if you watched our jog trip, was day 6. So I know there's a Greg's there. I'm going to grab a hot drink because I've emptied that one. It's just got cold. I've just got drenched for about 45 minutes and that wind's just got a chill to it. So I'm going to grab a warm drink before I roll down the NCN into Telford past MOD Donington. But yeah, it's a nice little stretch that, isn't it? Still not even stopped for my dinner. I don't feel hungry. I've got a pasty in my pocket, but ooh, look at them kites. See them? Beautiful. Look at them. I was reading not long ago that kites are actually becoming more populous in the UK now, which is good. They were on the decline, but they're actually on the up again, which is great seeing. You always see crows chasing them. I don't know if the camera catches it. Can you see them? The crow chasing them off, which is lovely. Look at that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Coming back. Now just on the wind there above the trees. Awesome. It's lovely to see. There's the other one, look. Look at that. Awesome. Lovely to see stuff like that, it really is. And that's the kind of thing you see on a bike. You can appreciate it. If you're in a car, totally miss it. Right, let's plod on. If that's any better. There you go, look at that. It's a beauty, isn't it? So where are we? Chetwynd Deer Park is down there, about 2 miles from Newport now. Yeah, just I'll stop and show you. And if you fancy owning a property in that style, what I'm guessing used to the vicarage, is for sale just down there. So there you go. Right. Whew, tell you what, it don't look like it's rained at all here. Bone dry here. My hands are still, my gloves are absolutely wet through. My jacket's still a bit wet. Never mind. Right, let's get going, get to Newport, get a nice hot drink. The last in Newport. Fantastic. Lovely food, lovely beer, nice company. Got chatting to a lovely lady at the bar, and the barman was fantastic. And look at that. What a perfect little mantra. Because every country pub I've gone past today has been closed and this one was open. So happy days. Had a lovely pint in there. So yeah, if you're passing this way on the NCN 55, I think it is, job's a good one. Right, so still on Route 55, just dropping into Telford now, which has got fantastic cycling infrastructure. Telford, really good. Named after Sir Thomas Telford, famous engineer. So yeah, so we've got last mile or two, and then in the hotel for the night. Happy days. Destination for the day. Travelodge Telford was my third or fourth time I think we've stayed here on a bike trip. But it's conveniently located to me, the kids, and actually today it was convenient because it was 60 miles and 60 odd tomorrow, so yeah, it was quite good. But you know what, I really enjoyed that today. I thought with it being mainly country lanes it'd be a bit dull, but actually it was really nice. I enjoyed it. It kept going over the canal, so that was quite nice to see. And yeah, just nice bike lanes. That pub stop was definitely needed, that was nice. But yeah, just a really lovely meander through the British Cheshire and Shropshire countryside. So yeah, I'm going to go and get a brew and change. See you tomorrow.